everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful diagnostic tools on the market, the Autel MaxiSys Elite 2 Pro. Whether you're a seasoned technician or just starting out, this tool could seriously level up your workflow. The Elite 2 Pro is Autel's flagship diagnostic tablet, combining top-tier hardware with intelligent software to give you dealer-level access to a wide range of vehicles. Autel Elite 2 Pro is the most cost-effective scanner yet. Software update: J2534 ECU programming, advanced ECU coding, 3,000 plus active tests, OE all system diagnose, 45 plus services, VAG guided CAN FD and DOP, auto scan 2.0 VIN, OD meter check, etc. Premium hardware: 10.0 OS, faster 8-core CPU, 4G and 128G, 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi, 11,000 mAh battery, faster and smoother, 2025 new added, battery test, FCA auto auth, pre and post comparison diagnosis report, and Wi-Fi print. It allows you into ECU enter to execute, programming backup restoration, initial startup control module replacement, process to renew upgrade to latest vehicle software for Benz and BMW. Autel Elite 2 Pro supports ECU coding for 99% vehicles to refresh modules, disable useless functions. 2025 new Ver Elite 2 Pro supports massive 3,000 plus active tests and 40 plus service. More repair options for car garage, large auto repair shop. It can transmit commands to ECUs and perform 3,000 plus actuator tests like cooling fan, AC clutch on-off, compression test, ABS motor pump, personalized etc. 40 plus services, oil reset, EPB, SAS, AF setting, throttle, suspension, headlamp, injector coating, power balance, BMS reset, etc. 2025 new Motor True Speed Repair is a brand new smart diagnose to speed repair. It supports check OEM data near-time OEM revision updates, integrate API for targeted integration by vehicle and search term, advanced search capabilities, TSB, component location diagram, wiring diagram, DDC, OEM position statements, maintenance schedule specifications. You can purchase Motor True Speed Repair function according to your needs. AutoScan 2.0, GM 8S, BMW, Ford, Chrysler 10s, PSA, Renault, Hyundai, Kia 15s, FCA, and Renault AutoAuth to bypass SGW, to perform workflow on for 2018 and later FCA cars, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Alfa Romeo, Fiat, and newest Renault. Battery test: endoscope features Wi-Fi print, pre-post scan, Autel cloud management, VAG guided generates step-by-step repair instructions for VW, Audi, Skoda, MAN LD, Bentley. Autel Elite 2 Pro comes with 2-year free software updates to keep software at the leading. It only displays 1-year update after registration. Autel will upgrade to 2-year update within 5 to 7 working days. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: powerful hardware, large display, advanced capabilities, intelligent topology mapping, VCI with wireless connectivity. And cons: high price point, size and portability, subscription cost after 2 years. So, is the Autel MaxiSys Elite 2 Pro worth it? If you need cutting-edge diagnostics, dealer-level capabilities, and a future-proof tool, absolutely yes. Check the links in the description for pricing and current deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions or want to see a head-to-head comparison with other scan tools.